Ferrari. Just seen one in central London finally. Come on. I want to go see the Ferrari over there. Go, stop. Flipping lights.
I want to get out of this Ferrari.
It's not even a Ferrari.
Oh, he's just driven off.
Yeah. No. You flipping serious. It's only a high-end though.
Yeah, because I started to use a lot of them as well now for license prices in London. Transport for London, isn't it? It's license one.
I don't suppose they're licensed by the local authority. They're licensed by Transport for London.
Yeah.
Hey, oh, is that 458? Okay, if you, I can zoom in. That red.
I'll get a top of one of it, chat.
Oh God.
Yeah, drop it out. I can drop it out the window.
See the doorman.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Oh yeah. Commissioner.
Knightsbridge.
Knightsbridge.
So we're
That
going to
red
go
car's-
past Harrods in a minute, aren't we?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, just down on the right.
We're going to go past Harrods in a minute.
Next but one building, I think, isn't it?
Done.
Harvey Nichols.
Yeah.
So you can bus and taxi. It doesn't help because I can F12. That is.
You want a picture of a police car?
No.
You better not put the camera down.
He's had a bit of a bash on the side, isn't he?
Oh.
Bash him again.
You know, cop has had a bit of a bash on the side.
He's probably trying to chase a car.
Oh yeah.
Put the camera down. Don't point at the
Take his
beast.
photograph. If he's on the phone.
Hello, Mr. Ferrari.
You're Mr. Ferrari.
Hey, oh, hey. Hey,
You
hey.
haven't missed that.
I don't know what that looks like.
I didn't even know that looks ugly. How?
That's just the driver, David.
No, the car.
Yes, the driver. He's ugly. Here, one hung low. You're very ugly.
Oh, no, it's him.
Oh, his car.
Daddy
What?
bought it.
What's the matter? You want to take a picture of my car? Yeah, listen to me start the engine up. Go on, quick.
Yeah, isn't it a very, very nice
Quick.
It's one of the cheap ones.
Not like that rolls, David. Listen, do you hear it?
Yeah. Rolls Royce. We're just taking photos of everything. Look at the number plate.
Yeah.
RR071.
RR071.
Here comes a mini Ferrari.
Poor man's Ferrari.
Oh, that Rolls Royce is chrome blue.
Yeah.
Don't end it. Do not end it.
L999 FFF.
Right, pass the camera.
Okay.
Is he really driven into the police
And the
car?
taxi's looking up and going, what?
Look at that big rhino.
Hey!
Oh, he can't get it.
I got it. Oh, your head's in the way that
Oh
time.
no! Mr. Chow! In the,
Mr. Chow?
Mr. Chow Buddha bar.
There's a copper behind you. Oh no.
Sorry, I can't take a left.
Oh wow,
Where's
now
little-
he's pulling up from the inside.
Is he getting out?
No. Better not be.
Why do stools only have 3 legs, those little stools? Little milking stools that they use to milk cows with.
I don't know.
Because the cows got that. Alright, go around the roundabout all again. Another entrance to Hyde Park, look.
Here. Blimmin' London streets, eh? They say to go one way, then you have to go the other way.
In 200 yards, turn left and then bear right. Go on, you can go.
Why is there so many taxis around?
Attention, there are traffic situations on your route.
Hey. See, the Saturn school.
Yeah, we just missed Buckingham Palace as well, David.
Did we?
We could have carried on that way that Daddy went.
Yeah, but we don't need that.
Yeah, I know we don't want to go that way, but I was just saying.
We can go there.
What's the speed limit? 30.
It's only 30 check along here.
We're 5 miles away.
Yeah,
You
we've
just
got to
missed
head
an
back down to the
F-type.
river.
You just
through
missed an
Westminster.
F-type Jag.
That's okay, I can live with it.
I just got it, I think.
Okay.
What's
I
that?
don't know. There's that red Ferrari, I bet.
Yeah.
Attention, there's traffic situations on your route.
There's a young kid driving it though. I'm quite
Hear it.
surprised.
You hear that?
Park Lane. Who wants to buy Park Lane? 400 quid then.
Is it
That was
actually?
350, wasn't it?
Oh, on Park Lane.
Yeah, Mayfair's 400, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it.
Where
Just
are we?
think you can overcharge all these people's landed on it. I think
Yeah.
that's. I think that was 75 quid, wasn't it?
Yes, turn left and then immediately bear right.
High end. Okay, right. Oh, look, Jack. One more of the luxury jacks. Oh. Ooh. Oh, Camaro. Porsche. Correct my life.
That's it.
Are you on the right way?
Arabic.
Yes.
Where are the loads of flags?
Yeah, we're going to come up on the other side of Buckingham Palace now, David.
Oh, are we?
Yeah.
Oh, ah.
The gardens are on the right there.
Oh, right. It's Buckingham Palace.
Yeah,
It's
Buckingham
on the
Palace
map.
over the right.
Yeah. That's why you've got all
That's the
the
gardens.
Does the Queen own a supercar?
All those people are on the right,
There's
look.
Big Ben, look.
There's
Big Ben. Are we going to go at the mall?
There's the palace here. Yes, we are.
Yeah.
Palace Buckingham.
Oh.
I can't get it on camera, I'm not allowed.
Yes, you
You
are.
are? You're outside, so you can do it.
Yeah, you're outside the inside of Buckingham Palace. You're not allowed to take on pictures.
You nearly got caught.
What are you doing? I'm just opening the phone up. It goes up and I unlock it. Oh, right, fair enough. And she bought it, didn't she?
Lucky she didn't have
Okay, mate, can you get pictures of it? Oh, I got this picture of it.
Oh, I've driven in front of Buckingham Palace.
I don't care really.
Bear left. Go up the mall.
We're just driving around London.
Yeah, but David, it is nice though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just think, look at all the things you're seeing as well.
Yeah, and supercars.
We'll have to look and see if we can go on a bus tour and it brings you around. Because if we can go upstairs.
Quick!
Is that actually made out of real gold? That's actually...
Jeff,
Yeah.
quick!
What?
Jump out, take a picture.
Yeah.
And me driving in front of Buckingham Palace.
Here's the mall.
We're driving down the Mall. This is where Top Gear brought all the British engineering vehicles down, wasn't it, down the Mall?
Yeah, they got told off as well.
Did they?
Yeah, because they put skid marks on the ground, didn't they?
Oh. Richard had to come to a job round here, but he was only given a certain amount of time he had to get in and get out. They wouldn't allow him to be any longer than what best time he was staying. He said, and they've watched him and followed him
I bet they did.
all round.
Oh, I got that. I got... yeah,
Just to let you know the Queen's not at home. The
Oh.
Royal Standard's not home. The Union flag,
Every time we come to London, she's not at home.
She must know we're coming.
It's like, I better go.
I'm not meeting that bunny again.
He can op it.
I don't think she'd still remember you, to be honest.
Shocking. Shocking.
Well,
Thank you very much.
a bit since then,
Yeah,
and you put on a bit of weight.
yeah. And I'll say, yeah, you look the same.
Okay, that's enough supercars.